How to operate user programmable temperature and humidity data logger? In this video you will learn about G-Tek's reusable temperature and humidity data logger. The LM Pro H Unboxing. You will receive the device along with a quick start guide, battery, and device calibration certificate. Activation. To activate the device, first install the battery. Position the data logger on its back. Open the battery cover by a coin turning in anti-clockwise direction. Please handle the battery cover with care to avoid any damage. Now insert the CR20323 volt coin cell, ensuring the positive terminal is visible. Close the cover by turning it clockwise until the arrows align. The data logger's screen will light up, and both LED will briefly blink. Note: do not remove the battery when the data recording is on. Check the battery status on display and accordingly replace the battery when required. Note: when you replace the battery, any measurements currently in progress will stop, but all stored data will be safe and sound. However, the minimum and maximum values for the current data will be calculated from the time you replace the battery. Note: it's desirable to reconfigure your data logger after changing the battery. Now to configure the device, plug the data logger directly into your computer's USB port. Open the LMView E051 software application. The configuration process is divided into two main parts: alarm configuration and batch configuration. Let's start with alarm configuration. The system allows you to configure 4 independent alarms for each temperature and humidity. A1 to A4 for temperature, and A5 to A8 for humidity. For each alarm, you can set the alarm type, high or low, set point, event type, single or cumulative, and delay. Note: single event alarm occurs when a reading exceeds their respective alarm set points continuously for a predefined duration. Note: when the total time of reading exceeds the cumulative alarm set point of temperature or humidity is more than set delay, it is considered as a cumulative event. Click on Edit button to set up an alarm. For example, we'll set A1 to trigger a high temperature alarm after 2 hours. Enter the temperature set point, select high for alarm type, single for event, and 0200 for delay. Note: it is desirable to set all 8 alarm parameter to avoid default settings. Batch configuration. Select the Edit button and configure the batch parameters. Here, you can assign an ID name and batch name for easy identification, up to 10 letters and numbers each. Select unit of measurement, temperature or humidity. Set the store interval, which is the time between data recordings from 5 seconds and 18 hours. The number of readings is the recorded data points. It is calculated based on the start time, stop time and store interval. Select the appropriate time zone as per UTC time. Click clock icon to sync the data logger's time with your computer's time. Set the start and stop times for the batch. Note: the software allows users to define a custom delay for the batch start time. Note: if user does not set the stop time, the batch will be stopped once the maximum number of readings has reached. Lastly, choose display options: auto off or permanent on. Note: auto off display is selected by default. Once you've set batch parameters, click configure batch. Note: configuring a new batch will delete previously recorded data. Ensure you back up necessary information before continuing. Configuring multiple devices. Follow steps for alarm and batch configuration on the first device. Choose a suitable start time so all devices can begin recording at the same time. After configuring the first device, a message window will appear. Connect another data logger and click OK. Note: repeat same steps for all remaining devices, updating the ID and batch name for each while keeping other settings unchanged. Once all devices are configured, click Cancel to exit the setup. Data recording. Now there are two ways to begin recording data after configuring a batch in LM-View E0511. 1. Automatic start. The recording will automatically start at the pre-configured start time. 2. Manual start. You can manually initiate recording after configuration by pressing the start button for about 10 seconds. Upon starting data recording, the STP LED turns off, the Run LED starts flashing, and our EC appears on the display. This user programmable temperature RH data logger is perfect for ensuring the safety of vaccines, food, or any other temperature-sensitive goods. See you in the next video where we'll explore how to view temperature readings, check alarms, and download data. Remember to subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. To contact us, email us on sales@gtek-india.com. WhatsApp us on +91 982 452 2295. Or you can visit our website www.gtek-india.com.